how to sign up for Hulu. Now Hulu is a video streaming app. It possibly has the largest collection of TV series, but a slightly lesser movies. It's comparable to Netflix. Like, come on, it's that crazy. So I'll teach you guys how to create an account for it. So let's just go to Hulu. Let's search Hulu on our web browser and then go to its link. Now as you can see, Hulu comes up right here. Now the one you want to do sign up for is the one right here. Click on sign up for Hulu only. Don't go for the Disney one or the Disney and Max one. Just go for Hulu. Yeah, because it gets cheaper. Come on. After you click on sign up, as you can see, here are different plans right here, and as you can see, Hulu with no ads, it's $17. That is $18 per month. If you get Hulu just the popular ones, you'll get the first month free, then the $7 for each month. So you can select any one you can, and there are also bundles right here. So you can choose on the bundles. But this video is for Hulu only, so you can just click on one. Okay, so yeah, right, here we are. Just click on one, and then you'll have to enter your email. Enter your email. Click on enter, and then after you've entered your email, you'll have to choose a password. You'll have to click on name, your birthday, and gender. So let's just follow through. Right here, let's just choose a very random password. Agree and continue. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a random password right here and then continue. Now as you can see, I have just given my details to it, and it's gonna take time depending on your internet speed. So if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. And also check out our other tutorial videos. If you want to, you can share it with your friends who might find it helpful, and it should get loaded up right here and your account will get created. So that is all for the video, guys. Also don't forget to select a plan and just enter your credit card or debit card details and your account will get created. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.